Hello everybody, welcome to the Allion Tech channel. This is Dr. T speaking. In this video, I'm going to tell you exactly what radio frequency is and the challenges that product makers might face during the manufacturing process. Radio frequency, aka RF, is the electromagnetic wave frequencies that lie in the range from around 3 kHz to 300 GHz. This range of frequency spectrum has been applied to various transmission systems, including TV and radio broadcasting, 3G, 4G mobile networks, and modern wireless technologies such as Wi-Fi, LoRa, and Zigbee. However, the larger application of wireless technology also complicates the manufacturing process of the devices. Now, I'm going to specify the common issues that is caused by performance, noise, desense, and coexistence. For wireless device, antenna is the key component that is responsible for transmitting and receiving signals. The types, structures, and positions of the antenna thus becomes crucial since they might affect the performance of wireless devices. For example, some of the smart TVs have Bluetooth built in, which allow users to connect with their wireless headphones. However, the signal that is sent out from the antenna could be reflected by the panel. So, if the antenna is misplaced, the headphone might not be able to receive the Bluetooth signal from TV. The impedance matching of the antenna and module can also affect RF performance. Vendors have to validate the layout impedance to optimize return loss. After the product is assembled, the various signals launched by different electronic components might become noises, affecting wireless performance. Below are 4 electronic components that could launch strong electromagnetic radiation. Take smartphone as an example. The interference could be caused by the noises that is created by the panel and antenna. When this issue occurs, users will find delays while clicking the screen to browse the internet. Beside the interference caused by antenna and other electronic components, the diverse user behaviors and environments might affect the RF performance of wireless devices. For example, Wi-Fi desense could occur when you plug a USB 3.0 dongle into PC, or if you are charging your notebook while playing online games, the CPU might not be able to fully support the wireless module, decreasing RF performance. As more and more devices come online, the limited wireless channels have been more congested, and if they coexist under the same roof, co-channel and adjacent interference could occur. Some users like to connect their notebooks to Bluetooth speakers while watching YouTube videos, but they might find latencies or sudden stops since Wi-Fi and Bluetooth are both using 2.4G channel, triggering coexistence issues. For those issues mentioned above, Allion offers RF validation package, aiming to assist you in every stage of the production process. We can not only evaluate the efficiency of antenna and the transmit accuracy and receive sensitivity of module, but also identify the root causes of noises by observing the noise distribution and frequency domain. And for the various user scenarios, we are able to create interferences in customizable situation models, allowing you to consider real-world factors during the product validation process. Allion's RF experts are your answer, and we would like to offer you our world-class testing services.